welcome to Wings and Wheels, St. Thomas Airport, June 23rd and 24th, 2007. World Airshow News says this small town's aspiration to deliver a world-class aerial display rivaling many of North America's bigger shows became not only a reality, but an instant success. Spectators and air enthusiasts came from across Canada, the United States, and even Japan to enjoy the show on the ground and in the air. An amazing team of local volunteers worked long and hard to present Wings and Wheels, showcasing the Canadian and American Armed Forces. A tour of the grounds includes a great mix of civilian and military static displays, classic cars, and beautiful sunshine. Fans of all ages had a chance to meet the pilots, talk to the crews, ask lots of questions, get autographs and souvenirs, grab some lunch, and take fantastic pictures. A full military display, a C-130 Hercules, Sea King and Griffin helicopters, vintage Harvards, and more. Now look up. Way up, as the anthems play and the Canadian Forces parachute team, the Skyhawks, drop out of the sky to begin the air show. Huge, small, loud, quiet, old, and new. Each participant adds another layer of entertainment, capped off by the Canadian Snowbirds 431 Demonstration Squadron. Plans are already underway for Wings and Wheels 2, June 20th and 21st, 2009. We think it's going to be even better, and we'd love to have your support. Hope you enjoyed the tour. See you in the air in 2009.